We'll guide you through how to make gradient shape in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, access the Photopea website using Google Chrome. Double-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop or taskbar and wait for the browser to fully open. Hover your cursor over the search bar, click inside it, and type Photopea. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to start the search. After the search results appear, select the top result, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘. When the page opens, the Photopea homepage will display the main workspace and available options. Next, click the New Project option to begin. Select any available template that fits your needs. You can also adjust the canvas size according to your preference before starting. After that, set the background color to black. Click the Create button to open the project and start editing. Once the canvas appears, press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard to highlight and fit the canvas within the workspace. Now look at the toolbar located on the left side of the screen. Choose the Shape tool from the same toolbar menu. In this example, select a circle shape. Draw several circle shapes across the canvas and place them in random locations to create a more interesting composition. If necessary, use the Move tool to reposition the shapes until you are satisfied with their placement. Next, hold the Shift key on your keyboard and select all the shape layers you created. Right-click the selected layers and merge them into a single layer. Then right-click again and choose Convert to Smart Object. After that, add a Gaussian blur effect through the Filter menu. Increase the blur amount until the circles blend together smoothly. Create a new layer above the blurred shapes. Select the Gradient tool from the toolbar. Set your preferred colors and gradient style, and apply the gradient across the canvas. Finally, right-click the new layer, choose Clipping Mask, and the gradient will be applied to the blurred shape. You have now learned how to make a gradient shape in Photopea successfully.